Yeah.
All right. Aiden, what are you doing?
I just
Why do you need deodorant?
Need this.
You don't
Ultra Max,
no,
dude.
it's not. No,
You smell good.
need that.
I
She
don't
needs
need
it. I'm talking about you don't need it.
No.
Throw it in the bag.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, Aiden. We're gonna throw it in the bag.
No, baby, she needs that. You gotta carry the basket for her.
Can you put them here?
No, you don't need that.
Yeah, no, I put them. Okay, which one?
Okay.
Take your hands off your hips.
Which one?
Throw it in the bag. Yeah. Okay.
Take your hands off your hips. No.
Yeah.
No, that's how mommy stands.
Oh my god.
You're a boy.
Oh my god.
Say something.
Say something.
Say something.
Say something.
You feeling brave?
No, he ain't.
Yeah, hit yourself. Find a happy place.
Dude, don't do that. That was his ex, the guy, the crazy stalker dude's ex-girlfriend. That's what he did.
Oh, you know mommy's gonna show this to daddy, right? Yeah? Show daddy you in the middle of the store having a temper tantrum. So when you go to daddy's house, you're not allowed to play with Vinicius, Jovan. You're gonna sit there and look at the wall. Get up.
And I can upload that. What's up?
Get up. You can't what?
Are these all shampoo or are they... Where's the body wash?
Take your hand. Here. It's heavy. You got it?
No, yeah.
You got it? 2 hands. Good job.
It's heavy.
It's alright. You strong.
I'm boy.
I'm not strong. I'm a boy. That's what I'm supposed to be doing, Mom.
He said I'm strong. I'm a boy, right?
No, I said you're strong. And he's like, no, I'm a boy.
Which one?
It's like him telling me, there's
one?
the coconut one.
Okay, I don't like the coconut. I like the lavender or the sensations.
Which one? Hey, which
Sensations.
But this one's bigger, so like maybe
Which
mix
one?
with papaya and aloe to suit.
one? Which one?
Which one I want? You gonna pay for it?
Which one?
This one.
Don't-
This one? What do you think? Do you want me to smell like that?
No, it's good.
It's good though?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Oh, what about this one?
This one?
Papaya, aloe. Which one smells better? Which one?
It smells good.
Which one?
It smells good.
Better than this one?
See, it's good. It smells good.
Which one's better? This one's better?
No,
This one's better?
this one's bad. This one's bad.
This one's better?
He said this one's better, that one's good.
I like this one.
No, don't. You don't like that one.
And I'm not gonna like it?
No, you like it.
Yeah, I like this one.
Look, sweat it.
Alright,
no,
so
no,
throw...
no, open it.
Hold on, you wanna open it?
Look, sweat it. Look. Look, sweat it.
You're gonna get it in my eye.
That's what he's trying to do.
I don't like this apple stuff. Like,
Oh,
it's
is it
not even
apple?
apple. It's not even apple. It's grapefruit.
This is like,
It's over
I like this
here.
one. It's like a morning shower.
Nasty.
I like this one. Did you smell this one?
Oh, smell your hand.
You won't smell it.
I like this one too.
Well,
Sweet
let me
pea?
spread it. No, on my hand.
No,
The
it's
other
not,
one?
huh?
The other one?